Well, this is what we got here and we're working on today. This is my 95 F150. I've had some problems lately getting the door open, and finally the driver's side door handle broke off. I took it open, the door panel off, and most of the time it's this cable right here will stretch. Now it's either because back in here or over here this latch mechanism isn't working anymore, the cable is actually stretched, or the striker's shot. Well, it's kind of both, but there's a little more to the story. And this part right here, where the handle bolts to it, is broken out right here. It should be square just like these. Actually, it goes right up there. From the stress of being pulled on like that, it finally broke through this real thin gauge steel. It's probably 20 gauge or 22 gauge. I did tear apart an 85 door, and they are made a little bit heavier. So what I've come up with, let's see if I got it nearby, is I took another piece of steel. Again, it's same gauge, light stuff. I squared her up, put it in the vise, just bent it with my hand. I didn't use a brake or anything. Now I'm going to take this piece, and it's actually going to go underneath the door and work like this. So when I put it underneath, she's like that. I'm going to put two screws in down low, one here and one here, then probably a screw here, maybe a screw here. Then I'll have this backing in here. And I guess actually if I had a wire welder, I could put a bead around all these and then grind them down. Then I'm going to put my door latch back on and run a self-tapping screw in there. A heavier gauge one, or a heavier screw too. And we'll see if that works. It may or it may not.